In a dysfunctional family, a scapegoat is treated as the biggest problem, but in reality, he or she can offer the biggest solution to all the generational curses that have been passed on for years and years. Because the scapegoat is the first person in the entire family to question the wrong behaviors, even when they are labeled as too much, or the problem child, or the difficult one. They still continue to be authentic, they still continue to speak the truth. और इन्हीं क्वालिटीज की वजह से बाकी फैमिली मेंबर्स इस इंसान को पसंद नहीं करते, उसे आइसोलेट करके रखते हैं या उसे ब्लेम करते रहते हैं फॉर ऑल द प्रॉब्लम्स दैट एग्जिस्ट इन द फैमिली, बिकॉज दिस पर्सन इज एन ईजी टारगेट. इसीलिए उसे बलि का बकरा बना दिया जाता है, AKA द स्केपगोट. The scapegoat often shows a mirror to these kind of people who are not ready to face their truth. The rest of the family pretends that everything is fine, that we are a good, normal, healthy family. But internally, there's a lot of chaos, there's a lot of manipulation, there's a lot of gaslighting and emotional abuse. And when this person sort of exposes it all, then this person ultimately becomes the problem. Seeing this reality and accepting that you are the scapegoat in your family can be really tough, because at the end of the day, it is your family and nobody wants to be excluded from it. You are probably the only and the first person in your entire lineage to be so self-aware, and that is why the responsibility to break these patterns also lie on you. You are someone who questions the fake relationships, the people who go behind each other's back and talk bad about each other but pretend to be nice in front of each other. You can see through all the facade and it pisses you off. You cannot stand being a hypocrite. You cannot tolerate injustice. You cannot make sense of this duality of love mixed with abuse. These behaviors are not normal or healthy. They don't even realize how much effort goes into pretending to be normal, into creating an image of a perfect, happy family when internally the situation is not the same. The entire family is trained to maintain this illusion, and the one who questions it becomes the collective enemy of the entire group.